What is up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Crypto. Thank you very much for joining me on today on this magical Sunday. Hope you'll excuse me. It's freezing in the UK at the moment, so we're just trying to keep warm. Not even the moustache is working today, guys. Not even the moustache. So, interesting 24 hours again. I say interesting way too much, but it's a bit of a crazy couple of days for crypto. So, jumping over to the BTC chart, we did have a bit of an opportunity there, as you can see. Now the trend line. See, now the trend line. I keep giving you guys these trend lines a little bit late. I know. I need to start making them a little bit earlier just so we can catch some trends together. So if you guys ever need any help with your trading, or even just want to learn a little bit about trading and trading trend lines, drop me a comment below and I might make a video on it. But I'm not going to make a video unless you ask for it. So let's jump on in. So you can see there we had 1, 2, 3 bounces, and we had a bit of a retest and back down. So probably going to hit this level here and bounce back up, more than likely. So you could probably still take a little bit of a trade there, but I'd wait until something else happens. But you can clearly see we've been calling these trends fairly consistently over the past couple of days. So as crypto industry is a bit weird today. It's nothing really to report massively, nothing news related, just a lot of Twitter bollocks. Hold on a second, that's the wrong screen. I like Dragon Ball, as you can probably tell. Where are we? There, right. Let's start off on number 1. Pump.fun, EU time zone's incredibly cooked. So basically what Pump.fun is where everyone creates their meme coins. Pump.fun is saying EU time zone is incredibly cooked for one reason and one reason only. Because we're in the UK, we're in the EU, and America is absolutely bonkers. So when coins are made in America, that's what? A good couple of hours until the EU get involved. That's the main reason behind it all, you know? Obviously we're not going to be first because it was created in America 12 hours ago. No rocket science, but there we go. Load of crap there from Pump.fun. I do expect Pump.fun to eventually close down because it's not very good for the market. Back in 2021, there was 10,000 crypto coins, and now there's 11 million crypto coins. So, like, that just goes to show. And I'd say a good 10.5 million of those coins at least are rugs. At least are rugs. So, it's a difficult market to jump into. Luckily, they're all scams and rugs and celebrity rug pulls. You know, he's not wrong. They're not wrong, these people. Pump.fun is cooked. Worst trading platform to ruining the crypto space. I mean, it is ruining the crypto space to a certain degree. So something to consider, you know, something to consider. So we're going to jump into things really quickly today. This is, I thought, was really, really interesting. You guys might be interested as well. Someone has been investing $30 worth of Bitcoin daily for the last 8 years, turning 86,000 into $1 million. This is called dollar cost in averaging. So you don't worry about the price of what the price of Bitcoin is on the daily. You just consistently buy. So as you can see, he's been buying $30 for the past 8 years. Where else can you turn 86,000 into $1 million? You can't. So that's really, really, really cool, I thought, you know. Definitely something to consider, guys. Don't listen to the market. Don't look at the market prices. Just consistently buy in projects that you really believe in. This is, you know, fantastic to see. I absolutely love this. I wish I'd done something like this a long, long time ago. I've been in the crypto market for about 5 years, 6 years, something like that. $30 a day. That's all it would have taken. It was, what, $22, £22 UK. Definitely something to consider. Maybe we're a bit late at the moment, you know, maybe when crypto drops down to, because are going to come back down to maybe the 50s, the 40s, maybe even the 30Ks eventually in the next year or so. We'll have to see. What comes up must come down, and that's the crypto market in a nutshell. It will come back down eventually. So we've got a few things to talk about today. This is really interesting. This is BitBoy Crypto. BitBoy Crypto has been in the space for a very, very long time, and this is Donald Trump Jr. And basically, I moved this
much faster. So Bitcoin and XRP are both what we know as networks of value. So SWIFT system that runs the banking system right now, the international transfers, cross-border payments, it's a network of information. So when something is happening on the SWIFT system, somebody's got to come in on the back end and do all the work.
Yeah. Well, so if you're dealing with time differences and everything 100%. Else, like you would in an international transaction, that creates the headache.
Well,
or the time lag, really.
Well, it's 5 to 7 days is how long it takes for these things to actually settle. With XRP, it settles in 30 seconds because it's a network of value. You also got coins.
Thought it was really interesting there. So BitBoy Crypto was talking to Donald Trump Jr. About the banking system. So he spoke about yesterday. Swift is integrating Ripple, and to do the work on the back end, he's trying to convince I keep saying Eric Trump. Donald Trump Jr. Cat, get out the way, please. Come, thank you very much. That's Raven. Convincing, I say Eric Trump again. Donald Trump Jr. that XRP is going to do the work on the back end. So that's really, really bullish for XRP. Very, very bullish for XRP. Thought it was a really, really interesting thing for you guys to have a little thought into today. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. Next up, we're just going to do this fast today, guys, because it is a Sunday and you guys got to get on. This, I thought, was absolutely awful of XLM, to be honest with you. Imagine spending more on lawyers than developers and calling it progress. The problem is XRP ran so that XLM could walk, and that's the problem. So XRP is leading the way, pushing back at the SEC, pushing back with the laws, pushing back. And what's XLM done? Sat in the shade and took all the buying power, you know? So that's the problem I've got with XLM at the moment, Stellar. Is a very good network, very cheap network, very interesting network, but XRP's been fighting the good fight, you know? XLM hasn't. So I do understand they have spent more than 100 million on lawyers in the past couple of years, but they're the only coin that's able to push back. Ethereum is basically the Vitalik Buterin's coin, Ethereum ETH. That's been the golden child of crypto for a long time because it's Bitcoin, but they know who made it, essentially, and they can control Vitalik Buterin more than they can control Brad Garlinghouse. So this is basically the reason why XRP has been having a lot of trouble over the past couple of years. Something to consider there. But XRP is doing, XRP ran so that XLM could walk, so I really, really think this is vitally important. Yes, they did spend a lot on lawyers, but what choice did they have when they were being sued left, right and centre by the SEC? Now that everything's over and we are starting to see some clarity within the crypto space, XRP, I think, is going to get the most clarity out of all the cryptos in the industry. Very interesting. Interesting. Next up, see, this is what I wanted to bring up, guys. If anyone tells you they know the price of XRP, they know the price of Bitcoin, they know the price of this, that, and the other, in 6 months, 3 months, even 10 years, they're lying. Nobody knows. Nobody will ever know until it happens. So this guy here literally thinks XRP expert. I'm sorry, you're not a fucking expert in any capacity. He's 100,000 per coin. Like, we're at $2.50. 100,000 per coin he's chalking out of his arsehole. So don't listen to any of this. XRP is going to be this price. XRP is going to be that price. Smaller targets, guys. Smaller targets. A $10 target in the next 5 years is way more realistic. Way, way more realistic. And even that's a little bit inflated, in my opinion. So $100,000 a coin is just complete idiocy. This guy is obviously a complete idiot. XRP to 10, 100,000. Here's how. Sorry, mate. You're not an expert. You're an idiot. He may as well call himself Kanye West at this point, you know. Next up. Oh yeah, so this is what I really want to talk about. The government payment overhaul proposed amid fraud allegations. So basically, there's a lot of fraud allegations going through the SSN. SSN means, where was it? Social Security Database. Apparently, they duplicate in their payments, and they're paying millions and millions to people, to unknown sources. Millions and millions each year to unknown sources. So the fact that Elon Musk is clarifying all this and basically going back into the government and shooing all this out is really, really bullish for America, and what's bullish for America is usually bullish for the rest of the world. So next week we do have a lot of tariffs coming from Trump again, so like I do think we are going to see a bit of a downslope in BTC with all the tariffs, because when Trump puts a tariff in, usually we do see some downtrends. So we'll have to wait and see on that one. But there is a lot of rumors and stuff like that BlackRock is buying, so maybe next week is a little bit more bullish than we think. We'll have to wait and see. But as far as I'm guessing at the moment, it's going to be a bearish week next week. Do with that what you will. Oof, excuse me. So basically, the latest coin to go absolutely nuts is what's it called? JAILSTOOL. JAILSTOOL. So Dave Portnoy, as I spoke about yesterday, he's been interested in meme coins, and he basically invested in this meme coin called JAILSTOOL. Because he invented Barstool Olympics or Barstool Sports or whatever it was. So this is basically a play on this. Like, if I jump on over to the Twitter here, there we go, JAILSTOOL CTO. So you got Dave Portnoy in jail there. So basically, he's holding on for dear life with this coin. He thinks this coin is going to, well, Dave Portney that is, thinks it's going to go up to 500 million, and that's when he's going to be selling, roughly around this mark here. That's when he's going to be selling. So a lot of people think it's going to be a good 5x in this if it does come to fruition, which it is the number 2 and number 1, jail America. It's the number 2 coin on Dex Screener at the moment, so it could very well do well. If we look here, we can see it's got 130k in volume over the past 5 minutes alone. Decent transactions, but not amazing, not amazing. I want to see these up to 500, 600, 700 transactions per second, so per 5 minutes. So I'm not really seeing the volume that I want. Volume in terms of money, but not volume in terms of transactions. So we are a bit more, as you can see there's more sells than buys at the moment, but not by much. And if we go down here, we got nearly 70k holders. There was 70k earlier on, and we are dropping substantially. Little by little we are dropping. So I don't see this making 500k, guys. I really don't. Like, it could very well reach 500k, but I very, very much doubt it. Like, I think Dave bought roughly around this mark here, by the 5 milli mark, and they reckon it's going to get to 500 milli. So one thing I wanted to show you guys is, so you've got Dogecoin, because Elon Musk has been leading the charge on Dogecoin. I'm not going to use that as an example of a meme coin. I'd much prefer to use Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is a $9 billion market cap, 9 billion. So if we go back on over to this is only 100 million. So it's a damn sight difference. Is, you know, if this get anywhere near Shiba Inu, but it took Shiba Inu years to get this market cap, bear in mind. If this gets to 500k, 500 milli market cap, then we can see a good 5x in it. Nice to see a 5x. Put 100 quid in, get 500 out. Nice to see. But will we see that? Will we see that? I very much doubt it. Meme coins are very, very dangerous at the moment, guys. But if you do want to know how I invest in meme coins, I'm going to show you right now. Give me 2 seconds. This is just a second wallet that I set up just to show you guys. So basically, we're on Phantom Wallet here. Literally, you can put some Solana in, send it from your favorite exchange, Coinbase, Kraken, Crypto.com, etc. Send it over to your Phantom account. Jump on over to here, and we can see Stoolgate, JAILSTOOL. So we can see this moving up there, and literally click swap. And we want to swap Solana for this, and all you do is enter the amount, and this is what you'll receive. And then basically confirm it. That's how easy it is to buy meme coins at the moment, guys. It really is easy. So the interesting thing, you can literally click on over here and you can see all the trending tokens. We've got a Super Bowl Sunday coin because it is Super Bowl Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday. So if you want to invest in this one, swap, job done. And if you wanted to sell, literally you just do that. You click the maximum amount you want to sell and you click sell. It is that easy. Sometimes the network can be a bit slow. But like, you know, that's if you are holding for a longer time than 35 seconds, like a lot of the meme coin traders, they're only holding for 30 seconds a coin. I definitely recommend using this way. It's a bit slower, like I said, but the fees are less and you'll see how much you're going to get. So if you put $100 worth of Sol in, you will get $100 worth of this coin, or at least 99.9% of the money you put in. So really interesting there, guys, and that's how I invest in my meme coins. Very easy there. So if you did want to invest in some Kanye coins and stuff like that, and if you scroll on down, you can see Pump.Fund there, which is really cool. And basically, all I have to do, say I wanted to find it, I click on this here, and that'll get the copy address, I'll get the crypto address, jump on over to here, jump in there, and basically paste the address, and there we go. It's that easy, guys. So we can even do it on BullX. Let's do something that's migrated, something like this. Migrated just means there's a few more people buying and selling. And all we do is we grab the crypto address, jump on here, jump into Phantom. It does take a little bit longer than obviously buying through the exchanges. Jump on there, and there we go. And there we go. That easy, guys. It's that easy. So that's an interesting thing I just wanted to show you guys, is how to buy meme coins quickly and efficiently. Very nice there. So this is the last one to actually do phenomenally well, is JAILSTOOL, whatever it's called. But I don't particularly think this is any good in any capacity. But I just want to show you guys what is possible, not what is capable. What is possible, guys. So if you did get in down here when Dave Portney did start the post, you would have got a fantastic return. There we go. What's that? That's a lot of percentages, guys. That's a lot of percentages. So that's basically how you invest in meme coins. The problem is being early is the difficult part. So like, because Dave Portnoy is a celebrity, that's usually the way to follow. If a celebrity posts something, usually it's going to go up a little bit. But usually they do rug at some point. So you've got to be looking at that chart ready to get out at any moment. Because a lot of this, like you can see here, we went from all-time high all the way down. Let's just call it there. So that lost 37% in literally 2-3 seconds. 30% in 2-3 seconds. So that's the difficult part about everything, is these green candles can be phenomenally huge, but these red candles can really wreck you out of a project. So you need to be there, and you need to be careful what you invest in and how long you invest in something for. If you're in a meme coin, don't walk away. Don't walk away. Don't even go make a cup of tea. Just wait. Keep refreshing your phantom wallets, guys. What I like to do is sit there. If I go down to Solana or whatever, like, let's go back onto this one, swap. So if I'm ready to sell, I'm waiting. I'll back out. I'll go here. I'll go there. I'll go back in. I'll swap, and I'll wait, and I'll watch the price go down. And then as soon as I'm ready, or as soon as I reach a price that I'm happy with, I usually do things by market cap these days on meme coins, just because you know where you stand with meme coins a bit better. So that's usually what I do. And then bang, sell, bang, sell, bang, sell, bang, buy, sell, buy. It's literally that quick, and you got to be that quick. Just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of 1-2 on that one. Grayscale Solana ETF proposed. So as we talked about the other day, ETFs are when you pull a lot of stocks and bonds and stuff together, but in this case cryptos together, and they're going to call it a Solana ETF. So there's going to be a lot of coins under the Solana name, all put into an ETF to make the dips and troughs a bit smaller, essentially. So you're at less risk. So if Solana goes from $150 to $200, back to 180, back down to 130, back up to 200, it'll squash all those dips and troughs, so you're more of a steady Eddie, essentially. So I like to see that. So the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is Big Balls. Big Balls was another Solana meme coin. This one was created, I don't know if you guys know, but Elon Musk within Doge, Department of Government Efficiency, he's employed a 19-year-old kid, and the 19-year-old kid is going by the pseudonym Big Balls. So someone's created a Big Balls coin there. You can see, like, we got to a $70 million market cap. So if you did get in here, you would have got, well, let's go there. 2,000% on that one. Like, I know it sounds like, oh my god, why am I not involved? But you got to think, for every coin that does well, there's 100 that, more than that, 1,000 that go to zero. So this is the thing you got to worry about, guys. Will you make all your money in meme coins? I very much doubt it. But you got to be in it to win it to a certain degree. You are gambling, unless you have commitment. And like I said, commitment comes from something like this. This is commitment. This guy knows BTC was going to be the future of money. This guy knows. So basically, BTC isn't going to be a payment platform. It's going to be a store of wealth. It's like buying gold. That's the idea behind Bitcoin, is about buying gold. So whereas XRP is a payment platform, is a payment system, you are going to be able to pay people in XRP. It takes 30 seconds or less to actually complete the transaction, and the fees are very, very small. So this is the beauty of it. Like, there's no waiting for money to be transferred. XRP isn't really for us. It isn't really for retail. It's for like for banks, essentially. So say a bank wants to send, the Bank of America want to send a certain amount to the Bank of England, they will be using the Ripple ledger, and they will be using XRP to settle in the future. I do believe that. I really, really do. So we will see XRP go up in price eventually, but that's because of the use case of it. It's not for us. It's for them. It's for banks. But it's quite funny to see people walking around with XRP t-shirts, because you wouldn't see people with PayPal t-shirts on, you know, or Swift t-shirts on. It's mad that a platform, for a payment platform, is a popular meme coin or popular trend. It's absolutely crazy. So I think that's really, really interesting. Really interesting. So it's been very, very interesting past 24 hours. Just mainly due to JAILSTOOL, essentially. That's been the biggest mover of the past 24 hours. And you can see they're using Dave Portnoy's tweets as their Twitter header, which I think is absolutely fucking brilliant. So it's been a rather funny 24 hours. Nothing really to report there. We can jump on over to the crypto market there, and we can just have a little look. So we are down over the past 24 hours again, as you can see there. This was yesterday, and we are pulling back down. Jump back over here, you can see, yeah, that was yesterday, and we are pulling back down. This is on the 15-minute candle. I just want to show you guys quickly. This is CoinMarketCap here. Very, very reliable website to find out the crypto prices. You can see trending on deck screener there. You got big balls, you got JAILSTOOL. TST, I'm not too sure what TST is. We could probably have a look. Jump on over TST. Testnet? Twitter. Let's have a look. Let's have a look live, guys. Have a look live. Test token. Test token deployed on BNB. Okay. So are you just testing stuff? I'm not entirely sure. Don't know what this one is, guys. I haven't really looked into it, but you can see it was popping. Where are we? There. It was trending at the moment. Number one trending token. It's up 500%. It could do well. It could do well. But I don't know. Because it's on the BNB, you'd have to obviously have wrap BNB to, and through PancakeSwap is the only way to get this. You wouldn't be able to get it through your Solana network. You would not be able to get it through your Phantom wallet. So it's another thing to consider is obviously, you can see this one's on Solana. That's why I think Solana is going to do really, really well in the future. And obviously, I just showed you earlier with the Solana ETFs. I think Solana will be the coin of the future. I think the network needs a little bit of work because, like I said, it does break down from time to time. Solana's up to $200 at the moment. Nice to see. Jump back over here. Let's have a look at some other prices. XRP 240, so we're up 4 cents over the past 24 hours since we looked yesterday. 4 cents isn't much. Solana $200. Nice to see. Will we see XRP flip Ethereum? One day we might. One day we might. So for that case, for that to happen, this will probably go down, I'd imagine, a little bit. But a lot of people are investing in Ethereum at the moment. I'm not entirely sure why. Donald Trump is one of them, and the Trump brothers, they are investing in Ethereum quite heavily. Not entirely sure why. I don't know if they're expecting something really major to happen because it's one of the only movers that hasn't moved in the market in the past, through this bull run, essentially. So another thing I want to talk to you guys about really is the altcoin season. A lot of people think altcoins are doing, well, they're doomed. But the problem is a couple of years ago, it was a trickle-down effect. The money from BTC trickled down into the altcoins, whereas at the moment, the money isn't trickling. And the reason for that is it's all going into meme coins instead of altcoins. And nowadays, there are so many altcoins out there, that's diluted the funds. If you've got 30 glasses and you're all filling them up slowly, and now you've got 300 glasses with the same amount of liquid, there's not enough of a pump. There's not enough of a pump. So that's the sad point about it all at the moment, is meme coins basically have ruined this bull run. But ruined is a word, If you were in the meme coin bull run, then you would have seen phenomenal gains, but it's 1 in a million, 1 in a literal million. You caught that at the right time and you sold at the right time, and there are people sitting at their computers for 12 to 15 hours a day staring at meme coins, staring at BullX consistently, staring at it. What is going on, They're staring here for new creations and they're waiting. So what they are waiting for essentially is they follow a lot of big wallets and insider wallets. When the insider wallets do anything, they copy trade. And I do not advocate copy trading in any capacity, but they are waiting for narratives. You can see there, Alex Jones coins. So that one moved really well because he's a celebrity. He didn't market this in any capacity and it probably isn't his coin. So if I go to Twitter here, is it? No. Well, I think they've just linked his Twitter again. They've just linked his Twitter. So what we're looking for, see these guys, a lot of these coins haven't got any Twitters, so they haven't got any websites, whereas this one's got a Twitter, a Telegram, and a website. More likely to do more with, people put effort in. This one again, people put effort in. They've got a website, they've got a Twitter, and they've also got a Telegram. So people are putting a little bit more effort into these coins, and ones that tend to put the effort in tend to do well. So another strategy people are using for meme coins is essentially they're copying things. So you can see GigaStool here, you can see Jail Ansem there. So basically you can see a lot of people are following trends. When Trump token come out, there was 1,000 other Trump tokens right beneath it. If you were number 2, if you were Trump token number 2, just a random guy making a Trump token, that did phenomenally well. Not as well as the original Trump token, but still really, really well. So following narratives, guys, following narratives. So the more people, more celebrities you follow on Twitter, the better they're going to be. Because Kanye West at the moment, for instance, I'm not going to show you any Kanye tweets because he's posting some absolutely disgusting things at the moment, nudes and all sorts, swear words, terrible, terrible things. But you can see he's trending his ass off, and he knows he's trending his ass off. And this is why he's doing it. He wants to sell you things. He wants to sell you trainers at the moment. He wants all the buzz to be around him. And if he happened to drop a coin, that coin's going to shoot up to at least 100 milli market cap very, very quickly. So that's something to be considerate of, is make sure you're on Twitter and make sure you're following. That's the main thing. Like, I don't really post that much on Twitter, but I can start posting little bits if you like. But usually, by the time I post anything, it's going to be a bit too late in the meme coin community. So something to consider there, guys. Yep, so I hope you guys got some actually valuable information out of today, because it's been a decent one. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I really appreciate it, and I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you very much.